Alright everybody, it's about 6 o'clock on the dot, heading out. Sun's coming up. I'm kind of like on a mission to get to the spot. Should have stopped at Casey's and got some food, but I should make it on time. Sunup's not till 7, so I mean it looks like sun's coming up right now. They're liars, but I'll see you guys out there. So I have the hut set up. It's starting to get a little foggy. The lens is. I got the tip ups out. Now I'm gonna start jigging in here. I got some stuff on the bottom here, so we're just gonna get down there, start jigging them up, see what happens. Here we go. But baby Crappie. Little Crappie. Oh, he wants to go in the bucket. Alright, little buddy. There we go. There's some more down there. I was just about to move too, so I better stay. I don't sit still very well. Didn't see anything on the bottom of the screen. I was about to pack up. Now it's loaded. Here. No, he's little. Just had to fight. Bah, little Crappie. Bloop. Alright. Get the heat rolling again, I guess. I don't know if I have ever shown you this, but on my heater like this, I have a striker on there, so you can see I don't have to carry a lighter with me, so that's pretty convenient. I think I made a video for you guys. If not, you guys will have to let me know, and I will make a video for you guys. There we go. Crappie. Nothing big yet. Okay, school of crappie. That's a good fish. Yeah, that's a good fish. That's a yellow. I'm just kidding. That's a good crappie. Nice. Not bad. Little. Getting a little bigger, but there's a couple of them down there now. Here's a little bigger one. Nice little crappie there. Pretty good size there. Beautiful. I got a school down there, so just kind of keep her active. I was literally, every time in my head I was like, yeah, there ain't nothing happening here. I'm head out. I'm out. And then here they are. Must have just been a couple there, but right when I dropped down there was a bunch on my screen. Now it's all disappeared. So they either are just circling because I'm on a big tree. That's how I always, when I fish these crappies, I find the biggest tree and I find some marks on the screen already, and then I sit there and see what happens. Unless it's during the daytime. If I have light, I'm not gonna sit here. That's why I was debating on moving. And then all of a sudden, they kept swimming this tree. So I'll give it a little bit more. I just don't like sitting on a non-active bite. Here we go. Nice. It's either a little crappie or bluegill. It's feeling like a gill. Oh, little crappie. There's a nice mark suspended. Really nice mark. Gosh, I gotta get down there. Come on. Here he comes. Got him. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. Oh yeah, baby. That's a really nice fish. Nice. Oh my goodness. Yeah. That is a brute, baby. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. What the? That boy was so suspended. Like, way up there. Hammered it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. There. We got one. We'll figure out what they are. Oh. Whatever it is, it's fighting pretty good. That's because it's a nice crappie. Not bad. I would keep that if I was keeping, but not today. You know what's crazy though? So last weekend I was out here, the crappie was just shut off, but we were having a ton of marks on our screen. That's exactly what they're doing. There's that weird bite window. I'm wondering if there's a second one. I just don't stay out here late enough. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for today's video. It was a really good morning. We caught some good crappie, probably about 4 13 inchers, I'd say. wasn't bad, and then a bunch of dinks, but it was a fun morning. I didn't get any of the walleye that I wanted, but we'll just keep going. Well, my camera died because of the cold, but what I was saying was the bite window was from like 8 to 9, so I went ahead and called it, and I'm back now. So I'm gonna go on a mission to look for some sheds. It was a good outing. I want to get back out here maybe tonight and try to get on them walleyes. I just have not been able to pattern them. So, well, until then, until the next video, see you guys.